The tailless whip scorpion, despite its fearsome look, is harmless to humans. Found in tropical and subtropical regions, it has long, spindly legs and whip-like antennae used to sense its surroundings. Unlike true scorpions, it has no venomous tail. Instead, it catches prey with its spiny pincers. It's a master of stealth, often hiding in caves, under rocks or in tree bark. These nocturnal hunters feed on insects and small animals, playing a vital role in pest control. Their alien-like appearance makes them favorites among exotic pet enthusiasts and nature lovers alike.